Okay. So what did you do in last 2-3 days? Like
And we did
Saturday,
for
Sunday and all? Yes?
We did for loop.
No. What did you practice in your last 4 days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday?
I was out of station.
Okay. Okay. Acha, so what all things have we done? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Tell me.
And we did swap case, lower, upper,
Hmm.
length,
Yes.
turtle,
Yes.
loop,
Yes. Which loop? For
addition,
loop, na?
and
You
yes,
have
ma'am.
to say.
And mathematical expressions.
Yes, mathematical expression, mathematical operators also, like plus, minus, divide, mod, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we did something called logical operators also.
Yes, ma'am.
Greater than equal to, less than equal to, this all, not equal
Except
to.
something.
Yes. We also did if else.
What?
If else.
Yes, ma'am. If else,
Okay.
else, and else.
Okay. So you share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
You understand what is an even number, what is an odd number, right, Heman?
ma'am.
So what is an even number?
An even number is a number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0.
Yes. Okay, very good. Share your screen, Heman.
Okay.
What you will do now is, can you code for me to check whether a number is even or not? How we
Okay.
will do that? Okay.
And we have to take the input or any number.
We have to take just one input. Take input. Int input. Okay. Okay. If I run this program, it will run, right? Enter something. Enter 5. It is saying it is an even number. Do you think this program is correct? Yes. Yes, absolutely good. Yes. Okay, so what mistake were you making?
Ma'am, I didn't a mod 2 equals to 0 in the
Okay. Yes, yes.
double commas.
Okay. So
But
when
I
you
missed
write something wrong, just write any spelling wrong. Suppose write any spelling wrong. And then if you run the program, you get syntax error, right?
yes.
Yes, you do get syntax error when you write something wrong. But
Yes.
it is type of like it is name error, syntax error. So complete right input INPUT. But what did we see? Even if it was in double quotes, your program ran, right? It did not give any syntax error. But you were not getting your desired output. It was giving you output, but was that output correct? No, it was not correct. Because whenever I was giving 5, it told me even number. If I even if I give 6 also, it would have told me even number. So this error is known as logical error. Because since your logic was not correct, it was logical error. Okay, and it is very difficult to interpret this logical error because we don't know where the actual error is, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now you have given one input and you have checked which is even or not. Take another code block. Here, what you will do now, you will take 5 inputs. No, what you will do, you will check, you will go from 1 to 100 and then you will give me all the numbers which are divisible by 6.
Okay.
We'll use for loop.
Okay.
Okay. So what error did you get? Yes, indentation error. Is this correct?
No.
So there's something wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you done here is you have taken b with and then you have written x by 6. So basically you are dividing x by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your logic behind this? Explain me.
Ma'am, it will
Explain
show
your
the
logic.
number of, matlab, hmm, it will show the count of numbers that are divisible by 1 to 100.
I don't want the count of numbers, na? And it will not show me the count of numbers also. Okay. See, my question is, You have to print all the numbers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 6. Suppose if I tell you print all the even numbers between 1 to 100. How will you do that? Take another code block and try print all the even numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, let me share my screen. I will teach you one concept today and then you will apply it.
Okay.
Do let me know when my screen is visible.
Okay. Yeah, my screen is visible.
Okay. So we were doing input, enter a number, and then you checked for if n mod 2 is equal to 0. Then you will print even number. Is what are we going to print? Odd number. We will print else odd number like this. And if I run this and I write 13, I will get odd number. Let me run this. I write 12, I'll get even number. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, now what I'm telling you, to print all the suppose even numbers between 1 to 100 and both should be included. Okay. Both should be included like this. Okay, so what does this mean? My output should be something like this. From where should my output start? What should be my output?
I don't know.
Even numbers. How will I get even numbers? What is my first even number?
And 2.
Yes. What is my second?
4.
Yes, 4. Then 6.
8.
Then 8 and so on. Okay. So this will be my even number. So how will I do this? So I will take for loop I in range. I have to write 1, 101.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now what I will do, I have to check if this number I, this is even or not. So I will write if I mod 2 is equal to 0, then print I. Something like this. Okay. Do you understand what did I do here?
Yes, ma'am.
My I is running from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. And when my I is 1, then I will check if it is even or not. If it is even, it will print I. Then it will go up. Then it will check for 2. Then it will check for 3. Then it will check for 4, 5, 6, and so on like this. Let's see what am I getting here. See, I'm getting like this. Now suppose if I want to print all the numbers in single line, how do I do that? I will write here comma end is equal to, and I'll put a space in double quotes like this. Okay. So now what will happen after printing every value? Before, what was happening? Before, like it was written like this. So what was happening after printing 2, my cursor went down and then it print 4. After printing 4, again my cursor was down and then the next value was printed. But when I will write here end is equal to like this, my cursor will not go down. It will end, it will write 2 and then give a space, because I have written end is equal to space. Let's run this. See, it is more visible, right? It is more clear to me. Suppose now I can write anything here. If I write, suppose like this, at the rate, what will I get? See, after every output, it is coming at the rate, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate.
If we
So
don't leave any space or don't write anything.
if you don't leave any space, then all your outputs will be very close to each other. Since they are not having any spaces, you will not know what it is. Like it is 2481012 what is this? It's not clear, no? So that is why we are giving space, so that we get a very clear output. Now we know that this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. If we don't give space, we don't know whether it is 2 or it is 24 or it is 246. Okay. Suppose if I give double dash like this, it will give me double dash separated values. Okay. Now I want to write, if I give comma, it will give me comma separated values like this. Okay. So you will write like this. So it becomes easier for us to learn. So see, what did I do here? I checked if my number is even number or not by dividing all the numbers in the range by 2. Now if I tell you, we can also do it one more way. See, after 8 it would be 10, then it should be 12, then it should be 14 and so on. So what can I do? I can simply write for I in range 1, comma 1 not 1, and I can write here 2 and I can start from 2. Do you understand what did I do here? Do you remember this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I do here? So I'm telling my Python ki, hey Python, start from 2, go till 100 with the step of 2. It will give me similar results. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay.
Okay.
Now if I tell you, let's take one more code block. If I tell you, print all the numbers between 1 to 150, suppose 1 to 150, which are divisible by 3.
And so we will take the starting number 3 and end at 151 with the gap of 3.
Absolutely correct. Very good. For I in range, we will start with 3. We will end at 151 with a gap of 3. And then I in range like this. And then I will print my I like this. Let me give end also so that it becomes easier for us to read. Okay. Now tell me, without using this step, how are we going to do this? I don't want to give steps to it. So I will write for I in range. Just a minute, guys. So we will write for I in range 1, 151 like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm saying you find the numbers which are divisible by 3. So what do you understand by this? Means whenever a number when divided by 3, it should give its remainder as 0. Only then we can conclude that a number is divisible by 3, right? So I will write here, if I mod 3 equal to 0, print I, comma, and is equal to like this. Now let me see. Am I getting the same output?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can do it like this also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We check for every number, we divide them by 3 and then check if the remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, my program prints it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now you will share your screen and tell me, and you will do that program for me, but you will give me all the numbers between 1 to 200 which are divisible by 6.
Okay.
Okay. You just changed there itself. I said 1 to 200. Okay, good. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, now print all the odd numbers between 1 to 100 in another cell, not there itself.
Okay.
Print all odd numbers between 1 to 100.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Print all the numbers between 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 3. What will I write? In another code, don't change there. But this
Okay.
code is correct. And you also write questions, like you comment them out, like I was writing, no?
Yes.
So first write hashtag, put that hash sign,
Um,
and write the question. All numbers between 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 3. All numbers between 1 to 50 maybe. 1 to 50 not divisible by 3. So try this out. What will it be and how it will be? I mod 3. Now for yes, not equal to 0. Absolutely good. Very good. Just print I then. Okay, very good. So I can also ask you to print all the multiples of 5 between 1 to 100. Click and the code block and write print all the, okay, change there itself, no problem. All the multiples of 5 between 1 to 100. Yes, very good. So when I say all the multiples of 5 between 1 to 100, so basically you have to print all the numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Now stop sharing. Let me share. Visible? My screen is visible. Just a minute, just a minute.
Yeah, Mama, screen is visible.
Okay. Now, see, when I write this for I in range 10, print I. What do I get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now,
Yeah.
suppose I have to print in reverse. Suppose if I have to print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, something like this. So, how we will do that? See, print in reverse. REVERSE, reverse. Okay. So, how we will write? For I in range. So,
It is showing a white screen.
okay, you can't see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my Google Colab?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was saying, when we write this, we get output like this, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I write 11, then I'll get 10 also. Now, if I want to print this in reverse, I want my output like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, something like this.
We
So
can
what? Yes,
give the
say
starting point as 10 and ending point as 1.
ending point as 1. Okay, and then
Different.
and then we have to give step as -1. Okay, we have to give our step as -1. Then only it will 10 minus 1, it will do 9. Then 9 minus 1, it will come to 8. Now see what will happen here. Let me write the whole code for you. I, comma, end is equal to this. What will happen? Will I get from 10 to 1? or 10 to 2?
10 to
Let's
2.
see. Yes, we will get from 10 to 2 because I told you we don't, Python don't takes this number. It goes up to 1 before that. So 1 before that in this case is 2 because we are coming to reverse. So we have to write here what?
0.
0. If I want to print from 10 to 1, I have to take 0 here. Now if I run, it is 10987 like this. So this way I can print in reverse. Do you understand this thing? Why did I write -1 here?
Yes.
Because I have to decrease one step. Here what we were writing, it is by default, it is 1, right? Do you remember this thing?
Yes.
Yes. So here by default it is not by default. We have to write this -1 if we want to come in reverse. Now if I tell you print something like this 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6,
We
4.
will write -2 instead of -1.
Yes, we will write -2 instead of -1. Why?
And because we are going 2 steps down.
Yes, we are going 2 steps down. And also we will write here what? What will be my starting range here?
20.
20 or 21?
20.
Yes, it will be 20. Very good. So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I tell you what you will do. You will have to take input multiple times. Now till now, whatever questions or whatever projects you have done, you have taken one input at a time, right? Now what I'm telling you, what you will have to do, you will take input, you will print whether that number is greater than 5 or less than 5. Then you will take second input, then you will give me the output for that. Then you will take third input, you will give me output for that. Like this, you will have to take 5 inputs from the user. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, what will I have to do? Let me write the question for you. Take 5 inputs and print if that number is positive or not. Positive. No, let's do some simpler one. Is greater than 5 or not? Greater than 5 or not? Okay. So what can I do like this? If I should do like this, A is equal to this input, and then I take B, then I take C, then I take D. It is not feasible, na? Suppose if I have to take, instead of 5, if I have to take 100 inputs, then it would
Then we
take
will
me too
take,
long.
then we will first choose a variable, then we will write for example, we will take B input, then
Yes.
we will write for
We
B
will
in
take,
range.
yes. What you can do is you have to take 5 inputs and then you have to check. So basically, I have to perform a task 5 times. Do you remember I told you something? For loop, what does it do? It performs a task for n number of times. So here we have to perform a task 5 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do, we will make our loop run 5 times for I in range 5. How many times will my loop run here?
4.
4 or 5?
4.
Let's see. Print I. Tell me how many times did it run?
4.
How
Around
4?
5.
5
We
times, right?
also counted 0.
Yes, it will count 0 because my default value is 0, na? So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here my loop is running 5 times. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for I in range 5, now I will take an input here. A is equal to int input. I will say enter your number. This
I have to take A or I.
we will take A because my I is for running this loop. Okay.
Yes.
So I am just taking this variable I to run my loop. But here A, this will store my input from the user and then I will check A. If my A is greater than or equal to 5, I will print greater than 5, else I will print less than 5. And again, my loop will run for second time. Let's see what is happening. If I run this code, see, enter your number. Suppose I enter 12. My output is greater than 5. Now it is asking me to enter my another number. Okay. Suppose I write 4. It is less than 5. I write 63. It is greater than 5. I write 3. It is less than 5. 10 greater than 5. So see, after taking 5 inputs, my program has stopped automatically. Why?
Then because it is in loop.
Yes, because this whole thing is in loop and my loop is running for 5 times. Why 5 times? Because my question was कि I have to take 5 inputs. So this I is for range and then this is my variable which I am using to store my input from the user. Got it? Now let's do one more question, similar type. It will give you more clarity. Suppose I tell you, now I have to print number is positive, negative, or 0. So tell me, how can we check if a number is positive?
Ma'am, if it is greater than 0.
Absolutely correct. Very good, Aman. If it is greater than 0, my number is positive. If it is less than 0, it is negative.
Negative.
So what will I do? Again, suppose instead of 5, if I have to take, suppose 6 inputs. So
Ma'am,
what will I write?
if elif, then else.
Yes, but tell me first, for I in range 6,
6.
like this, how many times my loop will run here?
I'm 6.
Yes, it will run 6 times because my number starts from 0 and not from 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will take an input from the user. Suppose number is my input, like this. Did you understand what did I write here?
Yes, ma'am.
If my number is greater than 0, it will print positive. And if my number is less than 0, it will print negative. Tell me, why did I write simply else and not checked if my number equal to 0?
And because we do not write to confirm because the only option left is 0.
Yes, very good. The only if any number is neither equal to 0, is neither greater than 0 nor less than 0, so definitely it will be 0 itself. Okay, let's run this thing. Suppose 3, it is positive.
Positive.
Suppose minus 9, negative. 10, positive. Minus 2, negative. 0, 0. And then I suppose 10, it will be positive. So did you understand how we can take multiple inputs in single program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you will do is you will. Did you understand this? Na? Do you have any doubt?
No,
Any doubt?
ma'am.
Okay. So let's do one question today. You share your screen and
Okay.
you will take 3 inputs from the user and you will check if it is a multiple of 5 or not. So you will check now if my number is a multiple of 5 or not. Just print yes or print no. Okay, 15. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now do one more question for me. Print numbers in reverse from 50 to 30. So my answer should be 50, 49, 48 up till 28. Sorry, 28. Not 28, like 29, 30, like this.
It is 30.
Yes, 50 to 30.
Okay.
It should be like 50, 49, 48, 31, 30 should be my last two digits, last two numbers.
Okay.
Hmm.
ऊपर करिए.
Show me the last two digits, last two numbers. I told you my last two numbers should be like 32, 31, 30. Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. You understood na how to what to do when you have to print and reverse, when you have to go 2 steps down, 3 steps down, how to go. how to take multiple inputs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So practice all these things. We'll meet tomorrow. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good night. Bye bye.
Bye.